Hello everyone, we were studying the chapter Control and Coordination class 10th Biology. So in the last class we have discussed about the hormones and glands, and today we are going to study about the another glands so which are present in the neck region. In neck region we are having two glands, that is thyroid and parathyroid gland. So, what are the hormones released by thyroid glands? If we come to hormone released by thyroid gland, that is thyroxine and calcitonin. What is the function of thyroxine and calcitonin? We will study here. Actually, thyroxine promotes metabolism of carbohydrate, protein, and fats. It has role in growth and development also. It stimulates the heart rate and stimulate synthesis of protein and carbohydrate, as I told you, degrade cholesterol, and here increases vitamin requirements. So it's the function of thyroxine hormone. But hyposecretion of thyroxine hormone can lead to simple goiter, and hypersecretion, when it is secreted in extra amount, so it can lead to exophthalmic goiter. Okay, now the next hormone is calcitonin. Calcitonin, the function of calcitonin is to promote the movement of calcium ions from blood to bones. Okay, so that's only the function of calcitonin. Next, we are coming towards the next gland, that is parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland are also present in the neck region, as you can see in the diagram. These are, you can say, present on the sides of thyroid gland, right? These four dots you can see on the sides of thyroid glands, these are parathyroid gland. The hormone released by parathyroid gland is parathormone, PTH is called. It regulates calcium and phosphorus level in blood. Hyposecretion can result in tetany, and hypersecretion can result in osteitis fibrosa cystica. Okay. Now next gland we are talking about is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is present on the top of each kidney in the abdominal region. Here, adrenal glands are, you can say, divided into two parts, that is adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. So here the hormones which are released by adrenal cortex are, you can say, that is mineralocorticoids, also known as aldosterone. Aldosterone, what is the function of aldosterone? It regulates sodium and potassium concentration in blood and extracellular fluid. The cell appears normal. Next is glucocorticoids, that is, you can say, cortisol. It regulates carbohydrate, lipid and protein metabolism. Reacts to body stress, ठीक है, fight response management and utilization of macronutrients. Okay. Next is sex hormone, that is, you can say, androgens. Here stimulates development of external sex characters in male and females. Actually androgen is male, but there are other hormones which are released in females. So we are talking like male sex hormone helps in development of reproductive organs and male sexual features such as cracking of voice, facial hairs and body hairs, etc, etc, mean to say secondary sexual characters. In the same way, estrogen is in female. Okay, now we are talking about the next part of the adrenal gland, that is adrenal medulla. Adrenal medulla release adrenaline and non-adrenaline. Adrenaline causes stimulation of sympathetic nervous system and is also called emergency hormone. It prepares body to meet fear, fight or flight. It supports the body reaction to stress by increasing heart rate, blood pressure and blood sugar level. Now next hormone that is released by adrenal medulla is non-adrenaline. It Constriction of blood vessels along with increased heart rate, blood pressure, and blood sugar level. It is the function of non-adrenaline. Now the next gland which is present in abdominal region is pancreas. Pancreas is present just below the stomach. Here it releases two types of hormone. One is insulin and another is glucagon. Insulin lowers the blood sugar level by converting the blood glucose into glycogen for storage. And here, hyposecretion of insulin can cause diabetes mellitus, which is insulin dependent diabetes. And hypersecretion can lead to hypoglycemia, which is less glucose level in the blood. Okay, next hormone which is released by pancreas is glucagon. It raises the blood sugar level by converting stored glycogen into glucose. The function of glucagon is antagonistic to insulin. Okay, now the next gland is testes. Testes is present in males. It is present in scrotal sac outside the abdominal region. Here, it releases the testosterone hormone, which is start secreting at puberty. It controls the normal growth of testes and other male genital organs and development of secondary sexual characters. Now, the next gland is ovaries, which are present in lower abdominal region in females only. These release two hormones, that is estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen controls all the secondary sexual characters like development of breast, enlargement of hip region, etc. And in the females, and progesterone is known as hormone of pregnancy. So these are the two hormones which are released by the ovaries.